my camera falls, I want to be able to dive in and grab it. Because that's when RMDs start, is like $1.36 million. He's actually going to save $80,000, satisfy the RMD requirement at the same time. John Stevenson here, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Thanks for coming out with me on the boat. I am kayaking in upper Blue Lakes in the Sierra Nevadas. That's where I'm at. I think on High Sierra because that's where I just took my family backpacking just a while ago. Anyways, the wind's blowing me all over the place, so I'm just trying to keep myself steady in this lake. But I wanted to talk to you about a gentleman I just talked to, and he wants to have a lot of income for himself. He's got a decent amount of money set aside, and he wants $200,000 per year guaranteed for the rest of his life. And he actually wants that to start at age 73 because that's when RMDs start. And he wants that to cover his RMDs, or at least a large portion of it, which I assured him it will. It will cover his RMDs. Of course, it'll cover up to a certain point. He'll have some of his other money in qualified accounts in the stock market, so he'll have to cover that portion with his stock portfolio. But with his annuities, he's going to place. We looked at the best contract for him is like $1.36 million, and that will give him $200,000 in guaranteed income for the rest of his life. Pretty good. There were some other contracts that gave him the same income, and they were with ClearSpring and Nationwide. And it was like 1.4 million that he had to put in, like 1.44. And he would take income in 7 years, 7 contract years. With Midland though, he could take income in 8 birthdays, and his birthdays is in like 3 weeks. So it's perfect. It's like perfect storm. Like Midland, they count your birthdays, not the contract years. And so he can actually take income a year earlier, which means he can actually he can put less premium in. He's actually going to save $80,000 in premium for the same money. He's still getting $200,000 a year. All right, hold on. Let me get closer here. The wind's just blowing me out. Okay. The reason why I like to talk about clients I work with is because these are real stories. These are real stories of real people that want to have lifetime income as a part of their portfolio. And this one I thought was very interesting. And a lot of my clients are like this. They have money in IRAs and they want to make sure that they get lifetime income, but they also want to satisfy the RMD requirement at the same time. And absolutely, when you have an annuity contract inside of an IRA and it's providing lifetime income, it does satisfy those RMD requirements. So for instance, if his portfolio is $4 million and the RMD requirement is 5%, okay, he's going to have an RMD requirement of $200,000 a year. Well, half of that portfolio, in fact, less than half of that, 1.3 million of it going into this annuity contract is going to satisfy all of the RMD requirement for his entire portfolio. That's pretty nice. So he can do that until the rest of his portfolio starts growing more and more, and then he's going to have to satisfy some more RMDs because he's just going to get wealthier and he's going to have his other accounts grow. So if you're looking to satisfy RMDs and you're thinking, hey, I'd like to have lifetime income, I want to have guaranteed, as high of lifetime income as I could possibly get, but I want to be able to do it with my annuity or with my IRA and my annuity inside of an IRA, then I would recommend reaching out to me. You can book a call. Go to the link below this video and you can book a call with me. Or you can go to my website and better yet, just check out my annuity calculators and do your own research. Find out what's out there. And then when you're ready, reach out to me. Okay, there is a booking link on my website as well. It's johnstevenson.com. Anyways, this is the first time I've created these videos on a lake. I'm usually in the woods, okay, sitting down or walking. Right now, this is just a new dynamic for me. So I'm out here on the water and I enjoy kayaking. I'm actually on the kayak that my son uses to go fishing. And I love it out here. I love being out on the water, but I've never actually done a video. So hopefully you found some value in watching this. Hopefully you've enjoyed some of the surroundings. I'll show you a little bit. You can see over here across the lake, some guys fishing over there. You can see over the side here. I'm pretty close to the shore right now. Don't want to get too far out there. Otherwise, if this camera falls over, I'm gonna have to dive down pretty deep to find it. So anyways, appreciate you listening. I hope you find value in my videos. If you do, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment below if you've got questions, okay? If you're looking at purchasing an annuity, I'd love to help you with that as well. So there's a link below the video to book a call, or you can go straight to my website, johnstevenson.com. So again, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you soon. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.